Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Revenge of My Lover, chapter 5. So here it is. Let's read the story. Well, since the devil was there, Shuang Shuang and Wen Fing had already met up. But the devil was there, guiding Wen Fing. Wen Ping said, I haven't seen you in a years. Well, right now, why do you appear as soon as I have the idea of the rebirth? Wen Ping is asking the devil guardian. The guardian is only looking at her. Not because this is the keyword. Now, the guardian said to her, it just happened to be more leisurely today. So it turns out the guardian has more time to her, so she can appear to her at this time. Wen Ping, she's really curious. So, can you let Yang Shuang Shuang disappear from me? Oh, right now, did she really mean to wish that? She is asking her guardian. You really hate her so much. You didn't listen to her to explain it. The guardian is asking her. Wen Ping, it's like she really closed her heart towards Yan Shuang Shuang. Her guardian was guiding her. As a fair devil, I can bear to watch you human beings fall into the fog, and I will reproduce the scenes of your death. Oh, it turns out she was not clearly the devil. More of it is only the character. She has also a good heart. At that time, Yan Shuang Shuang wanted to give you explanations. Wen Fing, you listened to him explanation. You were so anxious that you didn't listen and you rushed out and was hit by the car. Well, back then, that's why she really get died, not rebirthed. Now, she came back, the guidance of the devil. Her guidance said, and Enping said no. Probably, she really want to decline it. But Wenping said, it's not that people disappear but stay away from my life. So she really wants Shuang Shuang to stay away from her life. Well, this is really tough. Indeed, I was impulsive at the time. How could Yang Shuang Shuang hurt me? I'm afraid that the people around her, so I don't want to get involved with her. The mother had to let her mother to redeem. Oh, right now, hearing her situations, her guidance, she was really laughing at her. Probably this Wen Fing, she was really an high ego, so she cannot let herself down. Her guidance said, so you don't hate her, right? Go away, Wen Ping said to her. So White let her disappear. So she really got this by now. Wen Ping, so why are you so kind? Will there be no problem with your intervention in the world? Her guidance said, no, no, no. Well, technically, she was talking with the angel, even though she is only a guidance. Once my last life, the two people who fell in love so much just can't bear their feelings for nothing. Oh, this girl. Turns out she was really a romantic one, so she can think about this. Wen Ping said, then you might as well as tell me who framed my mother back then. So her guidance suddenly becomes speechless. Right now, she said to her, I can do this. Of course, she cannot interfere so much on the real world. That's why she cannot tell her. Also, about her mother, it's a different case from her. Her guidance only fond of her because of her story. But her mother's really different story. Alright, nothing to do with me. I'm leaving, bye-bye. Guidance said goodbye to her. Wen Ping, she really want to know the answer. Now, her guidance really go off. She really leave her alone. It was Yang Shang is behind her, and right now, she was really getting approached. I don't want to get involved with her anymore. And being said to herself, well, let's see if she really can bear it. Turns out, the devil is really a good person also. Wait, I'm so afraid that you won't forgive me. Shuang Shuang, she suddenly speak off behind her. Looking at it, Wen Ping, she was looking at her. Well, let's see, what will Wen Ping approach towards her? Shuang Shuang, I have already thought about it. If you ignore me, I will come to see you every day. Oh, this girl, she was really sweet girl. She really won't back down. Even though Wen Ping is always teasing her and provoking her. Wen Ping said, every day? Well, it was really troublesome if Shuang Shuang will suddenly appear to her every day. Right now, Shuang Shuang, yes, you can always ignore me. Even though she really pushed her away. Wenping, can she really bear this? Seeing her face every day. Well, let's see. But I didn't expect you to lose your memory. You don't need to remember anything. That doesn't matter, right? Shuang Shuang said to Wenping. Well, technically, Wenping is only hiding her. She don't want to tell her that she remembered the fuss. Wenping said, okay. It's not about amnesia. How can this child be so careless? Of course, Shuang Shuang. She really loved her, that's why. She want to pursue her, even though two of them are living in a different world, got reborn. Shuang Shuang said yes, and now she was really screaming. Look at this girl, she's really in love with her. Shuang Shuang said the first step to save Wenfing, remove her heart of defense. Well, definitely she was right. Right now, she was acting like a silly boy. She really misunderstood Wenping's situation. Her imagination, looking at her. Wenping is really liking her. And she like an angel. Wenping's eyes. Right now, Wenping, of course. That's what she said before. And she unconditionally trusted what I said. It's a bit unbearable to lie to her. Oh, right now, Wenping, her consciousness, at least right now, she don't want to deceive her, right? Well, I have something to do next. Let's go first. Wenping said to her. Shuang Shuang, she cannot believe this, right? Probably, she really want us Wenping so much, but this girl, she want to avoid her. Can you give me your contact information? Shuang Shuang is asking Wenping. Well, can Wenping give her contact information? Well, let's see. You want a private idol? This is not allowed. Wenping said to her. Well, technically, since she was a new actress, of course, she thinks like this. But right now, Shuang Shuang said to her, just treat me as a classmate. Oh, what a poor girl she is. Right now, she looks really pitiful. Almost like begging to Wenping to give her contact information. Wenping said to her, I can't. Or, don't involve too much. Oh, she really mean that. I really don't want to get involved to her. Well, right now, Wenping, she moved out and she leave her alone. But Shuang Shuang was calling her. Wenping. But Wenping still walking away from her. Well, let's see if she really can bear this. Shuang Shuang said to her, it's also related with contact information. I can protect it silently. Well, this girl. See if her hardship was really fruitful. Thank you for the support, Shea Rossi. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!